Hello guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you something really cool that you can use in your Blender projects. Now in the past you've heard me talk about TextureHaven.com and HDRI which both provide really cool resources like textures and HDRIs. But the same people who kind of run those also have something called Polyhaven, which is what we're going to be discussing today. And you can see here are just a few of the incredibly high quality models that are provided and ready to download and use in Blender. So I'm going to put a link to this in the description below. Now we'll mention with this library of assets here, it's not one of the bigger ones. It's still quite new and they're constantly adding things to it, but it is incredible for the amount of quality that is in it, and I haven't seen anything like it before. So small but really high quality. And you can see right here, these are just some of the assets you can download. Not only can you download them, they're completely CC0, which means you can come here, you don't even have to create an account. You can download these models, these assets. You can use them in any way you wish to use them, commercially, non-commercially, credit, no credit, completely up to you. So that's why I think it's just incredibly amazing, and despite the small size, totally worth reviewing. So you can see here as I'm scrolling down, just the incredible quality of the assets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just quickly download one, and there's actually one here that really captured my eye. That one was the barbershop here. The barber's chair, right? You'd see in a barbershop. And this one is really decadent and just an incredible asset, really high quality. And if you come up here to the download section, just like with the textures or the HDRIs, you can see it has an option here for Blender by default. You can come here and change it to this if you want, but I'm just gonna leave it at Blender. Come to download, it even shows you the download size, and you can click download, and there's no ads or subscriptions or subscribing to newsletters. It just downloads the asset for you. And you can see here it's a pretty quick download. So once this is done downloading, I'm going to go to my downloads. We're going to extract this folder. I'm going to quickly take it into Blender. So here you can see it's a zip folder, nicely packed. I'm just going to extract that. And here we can see we have the textures neatly put in a little file. And here we have the model itself. So I'm going to go open it up. And here you go. So I've opened up the blend file, and here you can see the chair. Just an incredible asset, one of many on there that you were able to see. And here you can see we have the node set up, and it's just all ready to go for you in Blender. You can just append it into a scene you're working on, whatever, put it into a project. So that's been this little video, or covering this awesome asset. I hope you guys are able to make use of this, and by all means, if you want to support these guys, they do an incredible job. So go check them out on Patreon, and definitely check out their free resources. I'll see you guys next time for another video.